Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Ring to an Android phone that's not a Samsung phone. You can connect your Samsung Galaxy Ring to a Samsung phone or any other Android phone. Unfortunately, it's not available on iPhones. And if you have a Samsung phone, I suggest you watching the other video we have on our channel on how to connect it to a Samsung phone, because this one is pretty similar, but there are some differences for a non-Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is close the lid of your case, then open it. And you may get a prompt to connect to your ring on the bottom of your screen, but if you don't have it, you can go to settings, then go to Bluetooth, and now click on pair new device. And you should be able to find your ring here. And if you cannot find it, press and hold on this button on your case for over 3 seconds. As you can see, it has been found, so let's click on it. Then allow to access contacts and call history and click on pair. And now, since it's paired, let's go to the Google Play Store to download Galaxy Wearables app. So search for Galaxy Wearable, then find this app and click on install. Start, allow. Now click on the ring that's paired, then click on OK, and it will get you to Google Play Store to install Galaxy Ring Manager separately. And now the app has been installed. You cannot open it because it's just a plugin, so you'll need to go back to Galaxy Wearable. After a short moment, it will connect to the plugin. Then you may need to sign in to the Samsung account. I'm signed in, so I don't need to. Then you need to accept end user license agreement, and these 3 are optional. Then click on continue, allow. Then click on settings, and now go to permissions, location, allow all the time, and make sure that use precise location is on. Then go back twice or 3 times and click on continue, allow. And now it will connect. Then you can click on install and choose Play Store and install Samsung Health, because in order to use the ring you need to have Galaxy Wearables installed on your phone, Galaxy Ring plugin, and Samsung Health. Now click on, you don't need to click on open, you can just go back into Galaxy Wearables, then click on next. Now you can click on advanced measurement to configure advanced sleep measurement, or just click on next. Then you can set targets for your daily activity, or just click on next and then click on next. And now it tells you how to wear your ring. As you can see, on your ring there is this line, and it should be facing the inside of your palm, so the ring should be put on like that, so this line aligns with your palm. Then click on next, and now your ring is set. You can use the Galaxy Wearable app, which is also covered in another videos on our channel. I'm gonna explain in these videos all of these settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.